welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed how can data science help businesses. In this video, we will look at the popular tools to solve data science problems. So let's get started. Now, there are a plethora of data science tools out there. Which one should we pick? Now, data science is a vast spectrum, and each of its domains requires handling of data in a unique way that leads many analysts and data scientists into confusion. Data science is a broad term in itself, and it consists of a variety of different domains, and each domain has its business importance and complexity. We can see this on the screen. The data science spectrum consists of various domains like reporting, business intelligence, predictive analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, etc. And these domains are represented by their relative complexity and the business value that they provide. So we will look at some of the popular data science tools used in the industry according to different domains. First of all, we will look at the reporting and business intelligence tools. Reporting and business intelligence enables an organization to identify trends and patterns to make crucial strategic decisions. The type of analysis ranges from MIS, data analytics, all the way over to dashboarding. The commonly used tools used in reporting and business intelligence domain are Excel, Tableau, Power BI, Google Analytics, etc. Excel gives a diverse range of options, including pivot tables and charts that let us analyze in a brief span of time. This is, in short, the Swiss Army knife of data science or analytics tools. Tableau is amongst the most popular data visualization tools in the market today. It is capable of handling large amounts of data and even offers Excel-like calculation functions and parameters. It is well liked because of its neat dashboard and story interface. Power BI is a Microsoft offering in the business intelligence space. It was built to integrate with Microsoft technologies. So if your organization has a SharePoint or SQL database user, you and your team will love working on this tool. The last tool in this list is Google Analytics. Wondering how did Google Analytics make it to this list? Well, digital marketing plays a major role in transforming businesses, and there is no better tool than this to analyze your digital efforts. Moving further up the ladder, the stakes just got high in terms of complexity as well as the business value. This is the domain where the bread and butter of most data scientists come from. Now we will look at predictive analytics and machine learning tools. Some of the types of problems that we will solve are statistical modeling, forecasting, neural networks, and deep learning. The commonly used tools in the predictive analytics and machine learning domain are Python, R, Jupyter Notebook, Apache Spark, etc. The first tool is Python. Now, Python is one of the most dominant languages for data science in the industry today because of its ease, flexibility, and open source nature. It has gained rapid popularity and acceptance in the machine learning community. Second tool is R. Now, R is another very commonly used and respected languages in data science. It has a thriving and incredibly supportive community, and it comes with a plethora of packages and libraries that support machine learning tasks. The next tool is Jupyter Notebook. These notebooks are widely used for coding in Python. While it is predominantly used for Python, it also supports other languages like Julia, R, etc. The last tool that we will discuss is Apache Spark. Spark was open sourced by UC Berkeley in 2010 and has since become one of the largest communities in big data. It is known as the Swiss Army knife of big data analytics, as it offers multiple advantages like flexibility, speed, computational power, etc. The tools that we have discussed so far are true open source tools. We do not require to pay for them or buy any extra licenses. They have thriving and active communities that maintain and release updates on a regular basis. Now we will check out some premium tools that are recognized as industry leaders such as SAP, SPSS, MATLAB, etc. Now, SAS is a very popular and powerful tool. It is prevalently and commonly used in the banking and financial sectors. It has a very high share in private organizations like American Express, JP Morgan, Mu Sigma, Royal Bank of Scotland, etc. SPSS is the abbreviation used for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. It was acquired by IBM in 2009. It offers advanced statistical analysis, a vast library of machine learning algorithms, text analysis, and much more. MATLAB is really underrated in the organizational landscape, but widely used in academia and research divisions. It has lost a lot of ground in recent times to the likes of Python, R, and SAS, but universities, especially in the US, still teach a lot of undergraduate courses using MATLAB. Now let us move to the deep learning tools. Deep learning requires high computational resources and needs special frameworks to utilize those resources effectively. Due to this, we would most likely require a GPU or a TPU. The common frameworks used for deep learning include TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and Caffe, etc. TensorFlow is the most widely used tool in the industry today. PyTorch is the super flexible deep learning framework that is giving major competition to TensorFlow. PyTorch has recently come into the limelight, and it was developed by researchers at Facebook. Keras and Caffe are other frameworks used extensively for building deep learning applications. I hope that you now know the popular tools to solve data science problems. In the next video, we will look at the data science ecosystem. So I'll meet you all very soon. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning. Bye.